Hey guys, welcome. My name is MagdalineJanet and welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I literally just got home from the SEPHORiA beauty event that I went to here in downtown Los Angeles. I wanted to share with you guys videos, pictures, my experience, and the swag bag and free samples, I think they're samples, that I got today. So if you're interested in seeing how it all went down, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post a few times a week. And without further ado, let's get started. Also guys, before I forget, I will have this makeup look, mainly the eyes and the lips, on my Instagram account. It'll be in a video within the next few days. I don't know exactly what day, but if you're interested, it will be on my Instagram because I want to say it now before I forget, you know? Okay, let's start. All right, so the SEPHORiA event. So what is SEPHORiA? Pretty much what SEPHORiA is Sephora throws an event that is called SEPHORiA, which is similar to BeautyCon, where there's a bunch of makeup vendors there giving samples and selling their products. Unlike BeautyCon, SEPHORiA doesn't have discounts and they don't really give a lot of free samples. It's just one place where a bunch of beauty lovers can go meet makeup artists, beauty influencers, attend master classes and stuff like that. It's really fun if you're into beauty events and meeting new people and people that have the same interest as you. It's super fun and you get to see a lot of new products that are probably not available. What I saw today was the Charlotte Tilbury foundation that was at the event as well. I'm not sure if that's in store. I know it's pretty brand spanking new. So the event is pretty much like that, and you have to buy tickets in order to enter. So to enter, there's two tiers of tickets. You buy tickets per time slot. So the ticket I bought was at 10 a.m. It was the VIP ticket that was $350. And with that, you didn't have to wait in line. You had access to a VIP lounge, drink, this swag bag right here. And I think that's it. I didn't attend master classes because I forgot to sign up online. And by the time I got there, they were full. Sorry, my voice is a little janky. It's because I'm getting sick and I'm trying to avoid it. So I'm kind of fighting it, you know. But that's pretty much it what SEPHORiA is. This year was the second year they did it. I went last year. I'll link the video below. And this year, they really came up a lot. It was at the Shrine Auditorium. And I'm an LA native and I had never been to the Shrine, which is really embarrassing. But I went today. I was pretty excited to go, you know. Last year was in a small little place in downtown LA, like right smack in the middle of downtown. This year they really came up. I really had a good time. I had fun. I met Patrick Tall. I'll put the video up here. I'm just like, I was in awe with him. He was so nice and sweet. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of the event. If you don't know what it is, I always like to explain what things are. So, you know, you guys have a better idea, you know? And with that being said, I literally just got home. I have not looked at the swag bag yet. With the $350 ticket, you do get a swag bag worth $900. So it better be, huh? When you leave the event, that's when they give you the actual bag, which is nice, so you don't have to carry it around. I don't know what the heck is inside, but it comes in this nice bag. It's pretty hefty. So that's nice. Also, the SEPHORiA House of Beauty event only carries brands that are in Sephora, you know? So let's start off with this Pat McGrath Fetish Eye Mascara. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this packaging. This is such a pretty blue. Oh my god, look. This is how the wand looks, which is cool. Ooh. Next, what is this? Lord Jones High CBD Formula Body Lotion. It's fragrance free. I don't like lotions that are fragrancy. Oh look, it comes in this little packaging. I've never heard of this brand. Cool, cool. Next, this Lala Retro Whipped Cream. African oil something from Drunk Elephant. Whoa, this is huge. This alone is probably $100 and something. It's a rescue cream whipped into airy blend of 6 rare African oils. It recovers and locks in intense moisture for hours. Oh look, it came out. Oh. Let's put some on my hands. They're dry. Oh, it's a facial moisturizer. And I put it on my hands. Well, my hands need it. I haven't tried Drunk Elephant too much, but I'm gonna try it now. My hands feel moisturized, that's for sure. Next is this Charlotte Tilbury. I've never owned anything Charlotte Tilbury, and it looks like this. And you open it. What is it? What is it? What is it? So another moisturizer. Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. Wow, this packaging is so luxe. Ooh, this is pretty. That's the fun thing about these bags. I mean, although you pay, this was pretty expensive. You just don't know what you're gonna get. But I feel like it's stuff I would never buy myself. So it just forces me to try new things, you know? So this Briogeo Scalp Revival Exfoliating Shampoo that looks like this. Look how it looks. Okay. Like this, I would never buy. All right, next is this Treat Pores at the Source Dr. Dennis Gross. I'm always all about pores. I have the largest pores ever. Pore Refining Serum. Oh, okay. Next is this Way Hair Oil. The Way brand. Oh my gosh. I literally just got this the Huda Ruby Obsessions palette at BeautyCon, and now I have the Emerald Obsessions. Yay. I'm literally collecting them without even knowing. She's like, I don't want them. Let's get rid of them. Give them in all these bags. This is how it looks. Very pretty, very pretty. Okay, now we have this Hum Hair and Nail Gummies. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Tom Ford, this spray. What kind of spray is this? The Ile de Toilette. What is it? So, a Tom Ford perfume that looks like this. Wow, I've never owned any Tom Ford perfumes. I know they're extremely expensive. Like, ridiculously expensive. Ooh, this Too Faced Perfect Peach Mattifying Loose Powder. I don't want to open it too crazy because I want to do a giveaway. So I have a bunch of stuff that I want to give away. All right, nice, nice. This Gucci Bloom Hair Mist that looks like this. A hair mist. I guess when you don't wash your hair. I don't wash my hair as often as I probably should, but I'm just so lazy. This Hyaluronic Acid from the In Key List. Oh, it looks like this. It's like in a little bottle. Next is this Amika. Why does it say tester? What the heck? This Perk Up Dry Shampoo. So did we get a tester or what? Whatevs. Ooh, some Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. Oh, I did see this. They recently came out with a bunch of these, and they're in different flavors. Ooh, not bad. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I'm kind of glad I didn't buy anything because I knew I was gonna have the swag bag, so I had to compose myself and not pull out the credit card and start swiping away, you know? So, Beauty Blender Solid Makeup Sponge Cleaner. Oh, like, look, it's soap. Oh, shit. Oh, this is, look. It's not the soap. It's like the cleaning thingy. It's like the cleaning mat. And this is where the soap is. I've seen this all over their page, but I'm good with my $1 dial soap. It's been working for years now, so, you know. Oh my gosh, Natasha Denona. I've never owned a palette. It's the Mini Star palette that looks like this. Look it. You guys, let me know if you want me to do a multiple looks using this little baby right here. I mean, I don't know if it's new, but I don't care. Let me know. Let me know. Look how pretty it is. I feel like I could come up with a few looks. Maybe 4 or 5. Let me know. Next is this Sunday Riley High Dose Retinol Serum. Look. I've only tried Sunday Riley skincare samples, so I'm excited for that one because this brand is expensive. Like past my budget expensive, you know? Now we're getting this Jouer Lip Enhancer Shine Balm. It has like a color. Next, we have this Melt Makeup. Ooh, a lipstick. Oh, this packaging. I love black. Look. Ooh, pretty. Next, we have Hourglass, the Veil Primer Oil Free. It's a mineralized primer. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Next is this Urban Decay Primer Potion. We know what this is. Next is this Sephora Liquid Black Liner, the Sephora brand. Really, they're gonna give us an eyeliner. Sephora brand's gonna only give us an eyeliner. Wow. Natasha Denona gives us a mini palette. I mean, a palette's a palette, right? This Bite Beauty Agave Lip Balm. Oh, look at how pretty. Like that. So exciting. Next, we have this It Brow Perfector Universal Taupe. And then the NARS lipstick in Damage. I've never owned a NARS lipstick. This is very nice mauve shade. Next, we have this Mark Beauty Highliner. Oh, it's an eye crayon. Oh, look. Pretty. Next, we have this YSL lipstick. YSL has the prettiest packaging. Look. Look how pretty this is. Next, we have this Kasia Beauty Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. Oh, look. Cute. This is the first one. This is the second one. And the third. Ooh. I feel like these could be like blushes too. Next is this lip from Kasia Sport Hyaluronic Lip Balm. All right. And I think that's it for the bag, guys. That was it. I definitely think it was $900 worth of stuff. It's a lot of stuff. And let's go by with the samples I got really quick. I got from Summer Fridays these skin samples right here. They're a brand that does skincare, so that's these. Next, I got this Herbivore Mini Facial Trio. It looks like this. Being part of like the VIP section or whatever, we got this water bottle, which is good. I actually need one of these. Oh, I got a mini Amika Perk Up. This one doesn't say tester. I got, oh look, I got this compact. Ooh, this is pretty. A little compact. Compacts come in handy. This Herbivore Retinol Smoothing Serum. I'm loving all this skincare though. Some more Herbivore Prism Exfoliating Glow Serum. These are probably some sample sizes, but they're a decent size. So Innisfree is a new K brand that helps the environment, and I learned from them today. I had no idea what they were, and they actually just launched on Sephora, she said 2 days ago. So I got a few samples here. They have a green tea line, full line cleansing oil, serum, face wash, the whole bit. So check them out if you guys haven't. Some way sample of what? Oh, it's a fragrance. Oh, some more Innisfree right there, and that's it. That was in this bag right here. I actually like this bag a lot. But yeah, guys, this is it. This was a pretty quick haul, swag bag, gift bag that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know if you guys have heard of any of these products. I haven't heard of a lot of them, as you can tell. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like me doing these swag bag and gift bag hauls type thing? Because I have another beauty event, I believe next month, that will have a swag bag as well. Let me know if you guys want to see that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for always stopping by, showing love. Let me know what products you guys know about, liked, didn't like, have more information about, anything. And I think that is all. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye! Also, guys, I'm going to share all the footage I have from the event that I took. I hope you guys enjoyed. I want you guys to get the whole visual of everything. Okay,